Hello.
Okay, today we're going to do the speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. My name is Teacher Cindy. What's your name?
My name is David.
Hello, David. How are you today?
I'm 10 years old.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Yes, very good. Okay, so we're going to do the speaking test, which is the first one is 90-second challenge. Are you ready?
Yes.
So, okay, very good. So here we go. Okay, so let's start. Okay, good luck. Okay, how old are you and what class are you in?
I'm in.
How old are
I'm 10 years old. I'm in grade 5.
Yes, very good. Okay, what do you usually do after school?
Are you ready? Do my homework.
Yes, very good. What is your favorite food and why?
My favorite food is burger because it's yummy.
Yes, good job. Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. How do you go to school?
I go to school is
Bye.
bye.
Okay, great. What is your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is Sunday.
Okay. What do you do on the weekend?
I play football.
All right. Okay. Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
Okay, great. Okay, what subject are you good at?
I'm good at math.
Oh, okay, good job. What is your favorite place?
It's play better.
Yes. How often do you read books?
I often read books.
Okay, great. What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a future
Doctor, teacher, actor?
actor.
Okay. What do you do in the evening?
It's evening. I watch TV.
Okay, great. Do you like sports? What sports?
And yes, and I sport.
What sport?
I like football.
Okay, great. Okay, tell me about your best friend.
My best friend is Hank. He is funny.
Yes, very good, David. Okay.